rent it. There is no other thing that you can do with an 8-year-old, an 18-year-old, a 48-year-old, and a 78-year-old at the same time, outdoors, for cheap, affordable, accessible. If we didn't have a golf course, you'd be begging somebody to put one in. That's why we should have a golf course by all means, okay? If you didn't know that, now you know. So now I'm going to introduce you to somebody who is a reasonable voice for golf in this county, for Sligo Creek.
I don't golf, but I love that course. It's beautiful. It's serene. You can go there and have lunch. If there's a car in the parking lot, they'll serve you. It's a mile and a half up the road. There's deer, there's foxes, there's turtles walking around. And it all belongs to you. They gave us this beautiful building and this beautiful plaza. Don't let them take away the Central Park of downtown Silver Spring. If you've never seen it, go see Sligo Creek Golf Course. You will love it and you won't let them close it. Contact Valerie Urban, contact your council members, and tell them you want to keep the golf course open. Have a great time.